everyone, in this video I will going to demonstrate how to create journal entries for finance team in ERP. This will be your login screen. Here you will going to enter the email address. Like here I am entering the email address of an employee. In password you will going to enter the password or click on login button in order to log in into ERP. After login, navigate to finance. Then click on accounting entries, which is a sub-menu of advisor. Now click on general entries. In order to create new journal entries in the system, just click on create button. As soon as you will click on create button, a form will open here. Here you will select the journal in which you are making this particular journal entry. For example, here I am selecting the Allahabad journal. Here you can give the reference if you want to give any reference number. Here you will select the account in which you are debiting the currency. For example, here I am selecting the Analytic account or project as GIGL. If you want to select the partner, you can select the partner from here. Partner can be any, the customer, vendor or the employee. Here you can add the amount currency if you want to enter here. Here you will select the debit amount. For example, my debit amount is 100. Here you will select the account in which you are crediting the balance. Now click on save button. In order to post this journal entry, just click on post journal entries button. If you want to import the journal entry, then click on import journal items. Here, if you want to attach any attachment related to this journal entry, just click on attachment and you will be able to attach any attachment. Now click on post journal entry button. This warning will come when there is no label has been selected by the user, so it is necessary to select the label. For example, here I am selecting the label, entering the label as 1, 2, 3. Here I am also entering the label. Now click on save button. Now click on post journal entry button in order to post the journal entry. Now you can see the journal entry is in posted state. If you want to reverse the entry, then click on reverse entry button. If you want to cancel this entry, you can click on cancel entry button. If you want to print it, just click on print entry button. If you want to see the reconciled entries of this particular journal item, just click on reconcile entries and you will be able to see all the entries for this journal entry. This is how you will be able to create journal entries in.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.